So let's get this on. The water pump pulley is back on and just held in place with 2 nuts temporarily as we put this drive belt on. And now what I'm gonna do is loosen that tensioner and actually lock it into position. I'm gonna turn the pulley counterclockwise until the hole on the tensioner lines up with the slot in the body of the bracket. And then I'll slide in a little pin, or in this case, a 5/32 Allen wrench, into the slot to lock it into the loose position. So you can see that I have my repair manual in front of me. I love having a nice belt diagram here, and I'm actually gonna put the large version of this on the screen right now for you to screenshot and keep on your phone so you can have it and refer back to it when you're installing this drive belt. And I'm a weirdo, but I like the words to face me. And one thing I like to do is make sure that I install the belt over the ribbed pulleys with the big lips first, because those are going to be the hardest to get over once the belt has a lot of tension on it. So I'll normally put it over the smooth tensioner pulley last, but whichever way works for you. There's really, I mean, no right or wrong way to do this, but we'll just start with the power steering over here. And then we're going to go up over the water pump. And then this side, we've got the smooth side going over this idler, and then the ribbed side is going over the water pump. Perfect. Smooth side over the other idler there. Ribbed side over the generator. Going around the AC compressor, idler, crank pulley. There we go, getting it over the ribs. And then the last one, see how you can just sort of slip it back over the tensioner there? And we just make sure everyone's in their grooves, and it looks like it. So there we go, power steering, idler, up under the water pump, over there the tensioner, down around to the crank pulley, little idler, up over the AC, over the generator or alternator, here to our other idler, and back up over the water pump. And there we go, and it's loose still, so now we're gonna release tension on our tensioner pulley there, and we're gonna pull out our little tool that's holding the tensioner into place.